Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix battery draining issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. Do not waste time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have enable low power mode. Low power mode can improve iOS battery life by reducing power consumptions after it is enabled. Some background activities, automatic update, and certain visual effect on your iPhone will be rejected, but this method can effectively help you avoid battery draining too fast on iOS 17. So you have opened the setting, scroll up, then you click on battery turn off low power mode. I have already turn on my device. Then second solution, you have reset all setting. If you find that your app are not cast of the battery draining issue on your iOS 17 device, you can try resetting all settings, resolve any potential software configurations. So you have opened the setting again, click on general again, so you have scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone, then you have click on reset all settings, click here and then enter a password of iPhone. Do not lose any data on iPhone, only reset network setting on iPhone, so then you have will be problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have wait for the next iOS software update. Waiting for the next iOS software update allow user to benefit from the these waiting for the next iOS update improvements as Apple activity works to refine and enhance the performance of iOS ecosystems. This approach ensures that your device is equipped with the latest software advancements, potentially resolving battery related concerns and delivering an overall improved wear experience. Then you have open the setting, click on general again, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so must be installed on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, update all apps. If you experience repeat app pattern running on your iOS device, outdated app could be the culprit. Updating all your app, though their latest version, can help optimize performance and to improve iOS battery health and life. Follow these steps, open the app store. So then you have click the app store icon ID, so click here and then you have scroll up, then you have click on update all and then automatically update the all app. The last solution, find out which app are running on your battery. If you suspect that certain apps are causing the X size battery running on your iOS 17 device, so you have delete from your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.